The outgroup can be identified as one that does not share a common ancestor with none of the other glasses. You can identify the common ancestors by following each glass branch leading right back to the same common ancestor. The outgroup is necessary because it allows us to identify the order of speciation and the distance each one has on the outgroup. This is established by the numerical OTU values, which is basically the distance compared of DNA sequence similarities to see how different species are from one another, which is basically the timing difference of speciation occurring. The outgroup is necessary for the presence of a rooted tree to be possible, allowing for the order of speciation to be identified. Next, we see these tall, skinny glasses resembling each other on the shape and height, yet one is completely covered in an image of the Turks and Caicos Island. This is known as the terminal node. An example of cladogenesis. Cladogenesis is known by the splitting of the two lineage and the two branches shown. They evolve separately from one another, increasing the biodiversity, while the beginning of the branch displays anagenesis, a speciation event that occurred and is accumulating change over evolutionary time within a lineage, which is a branch. Notice that there is a most common ancestor between the two skinny glasses and the all blue glass. This can be seen by looking at the branch below. There is another speciation and common ancestor shared among the glasses. This can be identified by their Las Vegas marks on their outer barrier, and the height of the glasses can be noted as being smaller than the previous one shown. Appearing at the most recent internal node with the red branches, we see that they have all become silver, yet with different outer appearances.